everyone, it's Cleofa here and welcome to Crafting Shed. For today's video, I just want to share with you this little project that I did. My cousin is having a baby boy and he's gonna be here real soon, so we're having a baby shower. And I made this diaper trike as a present. I think this is really cute. For the tutorial on how to make this trike, there's a quick video that's just under a minute from Pampers. That's where I got the idea from, and the link of that video is in the description below. And from that video, I just integrated some crochet items, like for example, this baby hat and baby booties. The patterns for this are also linked in the description below. But if you have your own pattern for these items, you can definitely do that. But for me, this is the quickest pattern I found that is simple and quick to crochet. It's from Yarnspirations, and this is free to download and print. And for the wheels, I crocheted trimmings or just a strip. Usually people use ribbons to decorate the wheels, but I didn't have ribbons. So I thought of crocheting a strip that I can use to replace the ribbons. And that's the quick tutorial that I will feature here today. So I have these extra yarns, which is a nice color, so I'm using this. And the pattern is also so quick and simple to crochet. So let's start with a knot and just chain 4. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go to the first chain and join with a slip stitch to form a ring, like this. So we start with a ring. And then row 1, 6 single crochets on the ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 2 and 1 single crochet in the ring. And this is what it looks like. Then row 2, we just turn, and in the chain 2 space right here, we're going to do 6 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 2 and another single crochet in the same chain 2 space. And we just did row 2, and this is what it looks like. And then from here, rows 3 to 50, we'll just repeat row 2, turn, and in the next chain 2 space, 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 2 and another single crochet in the same chain 2 space. So this is what it looks like. Repeat, turn, 6 single crochet in the chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 2, another single crochet in the same chain 2 space. So just keep repeating one row pattern and you'll get the length in no time. And this is now what the piece looks like after 50 rows. It's now a long strip. And for the last row, I'm just going to do 6 single crochets. So turn, 6 single crochets in the chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this will be my last row. And then I'm just going to pull the tail. Leave a long tail like this, so just pull. Then we'll get our blunt needle, thread it through the blunt needle like this. So this will be the back side of the strip, and I'm going to fold it in half or form a ring with a strip like this. And then starting at the first round, or at the beginning of the strip, just run through, do a running stitch at the back like this. So just sew on some stitches like this. and sew all the way around. And it would now look like this. So I have the thread, and the strip is now a ring like this. And I'm going to use these threads to tie so that the ring is snug on the wheels. So here are the diapers that I formed into a wheel. There's a rubber band at the center to hold them together. Then I take the strip that I crocheted and formed into a ring and just place it like this at the center. And tie the two tails together so that the strip is snug at the wheel like this. And this wheel is ready. So we needed 3 wheels for the trike. So just repeat these 2 other wheels using the same pattern. And again, the video on how to assemble the trike is in the description below. And you can add your own personal flair into it. And for me, I added these sunglasses to make the bear look really cool and cute. If you're new to my channel, please check out my other videos. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video and please subscribe.